How to download and install Realtek SD audio drivers in your Windows 11. So, this method is applicable for both on your Windows 11 and your Windows 10 as well. So, first thing first, open your favorite browser according to your preference. And on the search bar, you can easily type in here Realtek Audio Driver Windows 11 Intel. Once you type in it, you have to simply press enter on the keyboard. And once you have done that, on this real page or the result page, you can see multiple results here. Simply, you can click on the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver 1064 if you are using the Windows 11, or you can also select. So we can simply click on this Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. So let's click on it. And as you can see the date as well and the version. The latest version it is, so you can easily scroll down and see that is of Windows 10 64-byte and size is 52.4 MB. So let's click on download button, and here is the Intel software license agreement. You simply need to go through all of this, and then you can click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. After that, as you can see that the file is being downloaded, you just have to simply wait for a moment and it has already been done. So you can easily double click on this folder or the file, and then after that, you can easily install it as well. So let's right click and then you can explore, or else you can also install if you wish to. So by downloading and installing this Realtek SD audio driver in your Windows 11, you can easily enjoy the features on it, and then you can use it on your later days. So following this step, you can easily download and install the Realtek SD audio driver in your Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.